Man, it is really hard to get all the information out in 2.5 minutes. So, we've got this disconnected, and as haven't looked at any other possible sections just yet. So what we do, with the alternator disconnected, this wire back on, and we'll put this wire back on because that leads into the alternator. Now, let's find out if we still have a short circuit in the wiring. We do not. So, that was in real time. It took me about 15 minutes or so to diagnose, to do the actual step-by-step slow steps. But what we have diagnosed is that the alternator has had an internal failure somewhere, either in the voltage regulator or maybe one of the diodes has split open and is short-circuiting. Whatever has happened inside, I don't really care. All I know is alternator is broken and we need to replace it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to pull some stuff out, replace it, and then do some more testing. It is exciting to note, however, that these additional accessories, whatever they're for, are not our problem, because that would be a lot harder to trace and figure out what's going on with it and what's happened. So a bit of a relief, to be honest. Yeah, all right, we'll get back into ripping that out and put the new one in and do some testing.